Imagine this taxi man saying all these things. I was too stunned to speak.
Bring on a change because I'm not joking. You see what I'm doing a bumper well now because I'm on a fucking mouth. That's what me like do that. I get a kick doing that every day. Running the ass out of my car. You think nobody in the world can stop me from doing that?
Yes, you just run out people every day.
Every fucking day and then come with them fucking them out.
No matter how old them be around them
you could be 120-year-old.
Okay.
I'm fucking lucky I never made that clean up this country with crime. Them pussy that burn them. A 40-foot container have to carry body every day when I done with the asshole. You think me around? The white man love when me do a Brooklyn now. When me shoot them bomber, will mongrel them like that. And then raise my pay when I do that. You think them Andrew will love criminal?
So that sounds so racist. What you mean mongrel? Which one of them you shoot? Who you shoot?
Them nasty dirty nigga like where they hear I mash up this country. Them is the one I shoot. I don't shoot people who pay tax. You see them germs that Andrew are pan bike. Them fucking germs that Andrew are pan young bike and mash up the country. Those mongrel me kill.
But I know only white people pay tax. Remember say well if black people like yourself pay tax.
I don't know who pay tax. I don't search that. I look for bomber clad mongrel like where they and kill them. That is my job. That's when you get paper. Anyway, the fucking mongrel them, I hunt them and get rid of them.
That's all a little bit racist still.
Me always
like,
racist.
Like black people.
Me always racist. Because they are the worst germs that ever put on earth.
Okay.
Well, you see China there, though. You see China ride bike and mash up the country? Huh? You see any China there and mash up this country? Who are mash it up? Who mashing it up? Who a fire gun? Who name Klansman gang? A Chinese? What cartel do? Cartel build up this country? Where cartel? Where Mavado Sunday? Him get a master degree and a work? How old him is? Where him get charged for? And those germs me kill. Germs like them, the white man said me go wipe them ass out. And me kill all 50 of them. When them fuck around and they give me time of empty me gun and then rascal, me no play.